Are you tired of spending hours upon hours in language learning apps, only to see minimal progress? Today, we're going to explore 5 free methods to leverage AI for language learning, cutting your study time in half and doubling your results. First up, we have Google Translate's conversation mode. This AI-powered tool allows you to engage in real-time conversations in over 100 languages. To use it, download the Google Translate app on your mobile device and navigate to the conversation mode. This feature uses machine learning to understand context and adapt to your speaking style. Let's take a look at a screenshot of Google Translate in action. As you can see, you can initiate a conversation by typing a question or phrase in the input field. The AI translates it in real time, and you can respond in your native language. For example, if you want to learn basic phrases in Spanish, you can type "¿Cómo estás?" and the AI will respond with "Estoy bien, gracias." Another AI-powered